Hi, good evening students. Let's try to understand mixers. I have selected from the Akash Institute, that is the NEET material students. Let's try to understand. So mixer are made up of two or more substances called components and possess variable composition. Means there is no fixed composition in case of mixer student, and they are made up of two or more than two substances. Second point, mixer are of two types. Okay, keep in mind, mixer are of two types. First one is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. So first of all students, what we have to keep in mind, that mixer are made up of two or more than two substances called components, and they possess variable compositions. And mixer are two types, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Let's have a look over the homogeneous students. Homogeneous mixer. Homogeneous mixers are which have same composition throughout. These are also called as solutions. Like sugar solution is there, salt solution is there, here gasoline are there, brass are there. So if the composition is throughout the system, like that air are there, that is the everywhere you will find, that is the concentration of air is the uniformly distributed. So that is what the homogeneous. Like sugar solution is there, suppose we are having the container, and this container wherever you go students, you will find that is same concentration of the substance. So that is what is, that is known as what student, that is known as solution, right? Now let us move out the heterogeneous solution or heterogeneous mixer. What is heterogeneous mixer? Heterogeneous mixer are the mixture which do not have uniform composition throughout, and sometimes different components can be observed with naked eyes or with the help of microscope. So that is here, that is concentration composition is not same throughout. Okay, and you can find that is different component you can also find in the naked eyes, okay, in open eyes or with the help of microscope. The mixture of the salt, sugar, grains plus along with the stones pieces are heterogeneous mixture because they do not evenly mix. Okay, so whatever the sands are there, stones are there in the pulses or eatable things, you can easily find out that is what are the heterogeneous thing. Evenly mix can be seen as a separate entities in the mixer. Similarly, milk appear to us as a homogeneous mixture, but by physical method like centrifugation or charming of the components like cream can be separated. So milk is also heterogeneous mixture. Why milk is heterogeneous mixture? Already I told you students, that is the different layer is coming on the milk which can be separated out, which is not the evenly throughout the, it's not appear. So that it is the heterogeneous system. Other example are sand and iron fillings. Sand and iron fillings are also, that is the heterogeneous. Sand and water, mud, etc. are heterogeneous. Components of a mixture can be separated by physical method like filtration, crystallization, sublimation, extraction, distillation, chromatography, magnetic separation, simple hand picking method. These are the method by which can separate the different component of the heterogeneous system. So thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students.